Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 39. Hope you all are fine and safe. Did you study the topics which we have discussed in the last class? What all things we have done? We have discussed about HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTML, the pages which is the code, the programming language which is behind of creating the web pages, and World Wide Web, and also URL, Uniform Resource Locator. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So in the last class we have done the activity of finding out the IP address with the host name also. Okay, and we opened the school Kalolsavam, this Kerala Kalamandalam website, and from there we understood about protocol, the website address, the file, and the department where the file is stored. Altogether we can name it as URL. Okay. So today we will be discussing about doing how to know about the different services. We will be doing about the different services of internet. We will be studying what all are the different services of internet. And there are some owners for the internet that also we will be discussing today, and from this our chapter will be completed. Our 7th chapter will be completed. I hope it is easy chapter, so it is Pakka theory chapter, so you can study well. Okay, so these all things we have discussed. The founder of the World Wide Web is Tim Berners-Lee, and here we studied about internet. We study how the internet works, what all things we have to use for the internet, that all things we have discussed. These all are supervised, or these all are coming under the ownership of some society. Okay, so based on the discussion we had so far, we could say how owns the internet. It does not belong to anyone in particular. We can say that it belongs to everyone who creates websites and adds information to them. So can something which is thus not owned by anyone exist for long? If there are no directives, won't result in utter chaos? The answer is that there are some organizations, though not very formal, for a systematic supervision of all these things. All those things, all the business, even if we are taking all the business, even if we are taking our school, all these institutions, organizations, they all will be working under the ownership of some organizations or some persons. So in the same way, this internet, this vast technology, is also working under the ownership of some organization. So the first organization is Internet Society. For the overall supervision of the structure of the internet policies and other common matters, there is one Internet Society. So they will be doing the overall supervision of the internet. Second one is the Internet Engineering Task Force. Engineering means it is basically related to the technical side. So this committee manages the technical structure of the internet and makes the arrangements for the stability and safety of the internet. It examines and accords recognition to the revision of the internet protocols. Next one is the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN. The domain name system, I already told the domain name system is the basic thing for the internet. What all things we are searching through the internet, that particular topic's IP address, that page IP address directly, this page that is requesting for the IP address from the domain name server. So from that, if we got the IP address, it will be going to the router to find out the location where that particular IP address computer is placed. So domain name server is the basic thing. Okay, the domain name server which we discussed earlier works under the supervision of this committee. It is ICANN that ensures that all the internet address reaches their proper IP address. Okay, so this domain name server, all the internet address means what we are searching for, what page we are searching through browser, that page IP address will be located in domain name server. Okay, so the domain name system or the domain name server, it is basically under the supervision of this committee, ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Okay, so these three are the organizations and society which is coming under the for the ownership of internet. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the services provided by the internet. In 9th standard you all will be studying about the different services providing by the internet. In 8th and 9th also we will be studying about that. So there we have already, I think you all will be knowing about different services which includes email, e-governance, world wide web, then e-commerce, social media, then e-learning. So these are some of the services. So here we will be discussing about 3 or 4 services of the internet. The first one is the email, which is also known as the electronic mail. It is basically used for changing the exchanging the information within a span of seconds. So from any part of the world, if I want to contact any other person who is in another part of the world, we can do by using the email. We can send the email. So if we are having the proper internet facility, within span of seconds the email will be delivered and it will be reaching to the recipient. So for that we need a email address. So first we have to create our email ID. So the letters can be exchanged using global network. Such letters are called email. In global network, the letters which we are exchanging is known as the email. Many service providers you will be knowing is gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com. So for our institutions and organizations are also creating different service as are becoming service providers. So that is also possible in email. Okay, so here you can write some of the other service providers name. So next one is of social media, which is a very important thing nowadays. Okay, so in social media, did you heard about the social media? What all social medias, what different social medias which we are familiar? All social medias we will be using, right? Normally in all the 2 years before, when flood hit our state, you will be knowing that major flood was there in 2 or 3 years before. So at that time the social media plays an important role for the security of the families and the relatives. There will be members for Facebook. We have created different pages in social media for helping the people who is affected by the flood. Okay, so the concept of a medium to exchange news, information, ideas and jokes, and to share pictures and videos emerged with the growth of internet. These medias are called social media. In the social media, we are the concept of it is the medium of exchanging the news. We can share videos, we can share our pictures, these jokes, another information. All those will be using the social media. And some of the well-known social medias are Facebook, Twitter, Diaspora, WhatsApp, Instagram, some other than one's TikTok. So many social medias are. So basically we will be using the social medias like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay. So in our daily life, frequently every day we will be accessing the social media. So it is a part of our life. Okay. It is also help to maintain friendships irrespective of time and place. We will be sometimes we will be having the Facebook friends. We will not be knowing them. Just by chatting we will become the friends. So that person in which part of the country where he is located, we will not be seeing him, but we will be friends by using this social media. Even when we are making use of technological excellence for our progress, the tendency for misusing technology is also on rise. What all things we are doing in social media, it must be for the good use. For we have to use it for good things. Okay, for all the things there will be demerits also. See, so we must not go through that bad things. Okay, so many people are there. They have created problems by misusing the social media. They got arrested. They are sometimes they got like many problems created in their house by overusing or the misusing of the social media. So there are certain things to remember while using social media. That means once we are posting a picture or a video, we have to think 2 or 3 times that is it okay to post the video? By using this, by posting the video, it will become affected for me. Like that we have to think 2 or 3 times, because once it is posted we can't get back, because all the others will see and it will become problem. Next one is, we have to keep our personal information quite private. Okay. Third one, if any disaster happens in our locality, we are not supposed to share that information and becomes share the fake messages or the informations, and it will be to the others, it will become a problem to the people. Okay, so if anything happen in our locality, we are not supposed to do publish the fake messages, and also making vulgar messages and bullying are crimes as per law. Vulgar messages, vulgar videos, vulgar pictures, we all will be knowing about that. We are getting news day by day regarding to this topic. So bear in mind that those who committed cyber crimes cannot remain hidden forever. Those who are committing cyber crimes, in one day or other day they will be caught by the police or a government. Okay, so what all things we are doing through cyber, it will not be hidden for a long time. Profiles that are put up in social media may sometimes be stolen. Someone else may use your profile to hide his or her identity. You will be knowing about the cracking. Then that all things you have studied about, the cyber crimes you have studied about in 9th standard. That is hacking, cracking and hacking is same. So hacking the website, hacking the profile picture, hacking your page, Facebook page, you all heard about that. So you must be aware of that also. Make maximum use of safety systems. Do not add as friends anyone you don't know personally or trust. A lot of people you can see in Facebook and also without knowing them, don't make friends. It will become problem to you in future. Okay. In internet and all, we also know many people are using its facilities for communication. A vast majority of them give correct and decent information, but there will be some different types of the sites and different types of pages which is containing a lot of this restrict or ban photos, videos and all. Some websites you will be knowing in India and all, they are prohibited, but in some countries it is allowed. So these all are will become problem to us. All these controls have technological limitations. Decide what our needs. Okay, in some countries they are allowed because it is according to us what we need, what we have to do, what is our aim. All things we have to think first before connecting to the internet. Our aim must be in a good way. There must be good thoughts only while we are using the social media. Do not search the internet without any specific need. Okay, all the things which we are needed only we must be searching through internet. Website containing obscene information have many traps to attract and cheat us. We will be knowing about that. Different websites are there. We will be, for playing the games, we will be getting this much coins, gold coins, like that. Many websites, so don't get cheated in that. Okay, the next service is of e-banking. Okay, e-banking, that you all will be knowing about the online banking services. Nowadays it is many or mostly all of them will be accessing the internet banking. Okay, for all banks it is providing the internet banking, so that we can see the available balance in our account. We can create the account through online. We can generate the ATM pin. If you want to do the transaction, if you want to exchange the money to other people, that is also we can do without going to the bank. We can do these all things using online banking. Okay, so we can find out the details of the account from any place. We can examine our recent transactions. We can transfer money. Okay, pay for things or services that we have brought, for example telephone bills, electricity bills. These all things we can do by using the online banking. So this is the page of State Bank of Travancore, SBT. This is the online banking page. In this way, for all other banks, South Indian Bank, HDFC, ICICI, then for all the banks we will be having the internet banking, online banking. From we will be getting a username and password. It must be confidential, and by using that we can do a lot of transactions regarding that. So this is an e-banking site. Next one is of e-governance. E-governance means online, we can access online government sites also. If we want to pay the electricity bill, or if you want to pay the this any other bills which is any other bills which is related to the government things and all. If you want to do that, instead of going to that location, if we can do it by online. Okay, that means we often go to many offices like village, grama panchayat, offices of electricity, drinking water, for that for availing our services. But here nowadays we will be getting e-governance, that means online sites we will be getting for that. So through that we can pay the bill. If we want to raise any issue, that also we can do by using this online website. So for that we will be getting a security password or OTP password, one time password. It is a system for this. When our bank accounts are configured for online transactions, we have to give our mobile number for the verification, and in the mobile number, before doing the transaction or before availing any other services, they will be asking to verify our mobile number. So for the verification we will be getting an OTP number through our mobile, and we have to type that OTP number so that we can continue in that website. Okay, so these all are some of the things. If we have a bank account with online facility, we can pay electricity bills, telephone bills and all. So this is the website to pay BSNL telephone bill. I hope someone almost all will be doing like this online payment for electricity, water and all. So all other services will be related to the government, we will be getting by using the this internet and online facilities. Okay, figure 7.1 shows the online site HSCAP, http://kerala.gov.in for securing admissions. In this way, for the higher secondary education, you all will be knowing that if you want to for the high school education, higher secondary education in government side, there will be different pages for doing these all things. So for all the services, what all things we are doing in day by day, what all are our requirements, all we will be getting through internet. So along with these services, some other services are also there, which is of e-commerce, that means online purchasing. You will be knowing about the online purchasing sites like Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, Myntra. So in this way, by using these sites we will be getting just from the home we can order if you want a dress, or if you want any other commercial goods like eatables or other our household items, all things you will be getting delivered by using this online shopping sites. Okay, so this is also one of the service of the internet. Okay, so with this much we have completed our 7th chapter, and next we will be moving to the chapter 8, database and introduction. Okay, so here in this chapter, what all things we have discussed? We have discussed about the internet, domain name server, IP address, HTML pages, hypertext transfer protocol, ownership of the internet, services provided by the internet. Okay, so this is Pakka theory chapter. Just to go through it is very easy chapter also. So if you have any doubt, you must ask me in the coming Google Meet, so that we not Google Meet, coming classes, so that we can discuss it in detail. So these are some of services which we have discussed today. Okay, so practice the activity. What are the activities, what all things I have done in this video, this class video, that all things you can practice those who are having computer. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.